thermostat is a small but important component of your car's cooling system. Its function is to regulate coolant flow to keep your engine temperature in its optimum operating range. The thermostat opens to allow hot coolant to flow to the radiator to be cooled. A faulty thermostat can be stuck closed. If that happens, the temperature inside the engine builds up to levels much higher than normal because coolant can't flow to the radiator to be cooled. Quickly, the engine can overheat and major damage can occur. A faulty thermostat can be stuck open as well. If the thermostat is stuck open, a constant flow of coolant circulates through the radiator and the internal temperature of the engine may never reach running temperature. You won't get heat inside your car and your engine won't run efficiently.